Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting accounts and the console ready. Update the Switch system software and backup saves. That prevents data loss. Make sure you own Minecraft already, because the preview requires an active copy. Next, sign into or create a Microsoft account and link it to your Nintendo account. This connection allows opt-ins and cross-save features. Once done, check the eShop for any Minecraft preview listing, and prepare to download the smaller preview installer when available. You now enroll and fetch the preview build. Find the preview opt-in prompt, either inside the existing Minecraft launcher or as a separate eShop listing, then choose to enroll. Read and accept the beta terms so the system grants access. This is required because experimental features can change. After acceptance, start the download and install the preview build. Make sure you have sufficient storage. While installing, keep the console powered and connected to the internet. Interruptions can corrupt the preview package. You finish by launching and verifying the preview. Sign into your Microsoft account inside the preview so your worlds and permissions sync correctly. Play briefly to confirm saves load and use the built-in feedback tools to report bugs. Developers rely on that data. If you hit a launch error or corrupted world, try reinstalling the preview and, if necessary, restore your previously made backup. If problems persist, make sure your Switch firmware and the preview are fully updated before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.